Hey there, amazing people. Welcome back to the channel. Today we've got something truly fascinating lined up for you. In this video, we'll be uncovering 10 mind-blowing facts that you won't believe are true. From the depths of the ocean to the wonders of space, these facts will challenge everything you thought you knew. So sit back, relax, and get ready to have your mind blown. Let's dive in. 1. Octopuses have 3 hearts. Octopuses are truly unique creatures of the sea. They have 3 hearts. 2 of them pump blood to the gills, while the third pumps blood to the rest of the body. What's even more surprising is that when an octopus swims, the heart responsible for circulating blood through its body stops beating. This is one reason why octopuses prefer crawling along the ocean floor instead of swimming, as swimming requires more energy. 2 bananas are berries, but strawberries aren't. It might sound strange, but botanically speaking, bananas are classified as berries, while strawberries are not. According to botanical definitions, a berry must develop from a single ovary and have seeds embedded inside its flesh, which bananas do. In contrast, strawberries develop from multiple ovaries, and their seeds are found on the outer surface. 3 water can boil and freeze at the same time. This strange phenomenon is known as the triple point. It occurs when temperature and pressure are at a specific balance that allows water to exist simultaneously as a solid, ice, liquid, water, and gas, vapor. This unusual state is used in scientific experiments to measure the exact properties of water. 4 sharks are older than trees. Sharks are one of the oldest living species on Earth, with a lineage that dates back over 400 million years, long before the first trees appeared. In fact, the earliest sharks evolved around the time when the first vertebrates were emerging from the oceans. To put this into perspective, trees only started appearing around 350 million years ago. Despite surviving through multiple mass extinction events, sharks have adapted and evolved into the diverse species we see today. Their remarkable resilience can be attributed to their efficient hunting methods, highly developed senses, and ability to thrive in various ocean environments. While trees revolutionized the planet by transforming the atmosphere and ecosystems, sharks have remained a dominant predator in the ocean, continuing to shape marine life. This long history makes sharks not only a symbol of evolution's power, but also a reminder of the Earth's ever-changing nature. 5. Your stomach grows a new lining. Every few days, the human stomach is an incredible organ that works tirelessly to break down food using powerful digestive acids. However, the acid in your stomach is so strong that it could actually begin to digest the stomach itself. To prevent this from happening, your stomach constantly regenerates its lining. In fact, this process happens so quickly that a brand new stomach lining is created every 3 to 4 days. The stomach's lining is made up of mucus-producing cells that act as a protective barrier between the harsh acid and the stomach walls. Without this constant renewal, the lining would be eroded by the acid and the stomach would begin to digest itself. This rapid cell turnover is an essential part of maintaining your digestive health and ensuring that your stomach can perform its job without causing harm to itself. The body's ability to repair and renew itself so efficiently is truly remarkable. 6. An immortal jellyfish can live forever. The Turritopsis dohrnii, often referred to as the immortal jellyfish, has a remarkable ability to reverse its aging process. When faced with injury, starvation, or stress, it can revert its cells to an earlier stage of development, like a baby jellyfish, and start its life cycle anew. This process can repeat infinitely, making it biologically immortal, though it can still be eaten or killed by predators. 7 humans share 60% of their DNA with bananas. It might sound like something out of a science fiction story, but it's actually true that humans share about 60% of their DNA with bananas. While this may seem surprising, it highlights the common biological processes shared across all living organisms. The reason for this overlap lies in the fact that all living beings, from plants to animals, are built on similar fundamental genetic instructions that control vital processes like cell growth, energy production, and reproduction. Even though humans are vastly more complex than bananas, many of the core functions of our cells are strikingly similar to those in plant cells. For instance, the mechanisms that regulate how cells divide and replicate are controlled by genes that are shared between humans and plants. This genetic similarity suggests that life on Earth is deeply interconnected and evolved from a common ancestor, with each species adapting over millions of years to its environment. So the next time you peel a banana, remember that you're sharing a surprising amount of genetic material with it. 8 a day on Venus is longer than a year on Venus. One of the most fascinating facts about Venus is that its rotation is so slow that a single day on the planet lasts longer than a year. A day on Venus, the time it takes for the planet to complete one full rotation on its axis, is about 243 Earth days, while a year on Venus, the time it takes to orbit the Sun, is only 225 Earth days. This means that Venus takes longer to spin around once than it does to make a complete orbit around the Sun. The planet's extremely slow rotation is a result of its thick atmosphere and the gravitational pull of the Sun, which has caused Venus to spin in the opposite direction to most other planets in the solar system. Interestingly, Venus also has a very long day-night cycle, and one side of the planet is constantly hot, with temperatures reaching over 900 degrees Fahrenheit, 475 degrees Celsius, making it one of the hottest planets in our solar system. The unique combination of a slow spin in a dense atmosphere gives Venus its mysterious and extreme characteristics. 9 hot water freezes faster than cold water. This counterintuitive process is known as the Mpemba effect, named after a Tanzanian student who discovered it. While the exact reason is still debated, one theory is that hot water evaporates faster, reducing its volume and allowing it to freeze more quickly. Another explanation is that temperature differences within the hot water create currents that aid the freezing process. 10. A blue whale's heartbeat can be heard from 2 miles away. The blue whale is the largest animal on Earth, and its heart is equally massive. A blue whale's heart can weigh as much as 400 pounds, 180 kilograms, and is so large that a human could crawl through its arteries. Its heartbeat is so powerful that it can be heard from a distance of 2 miles, 3.2 kilometers, underwater, especially when the whale dives deep into the ocean. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more amazing content like this. Stay curious, stay inspired, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care. This structure helps reinforce engagement and encourages interaction while leaving viewers excited for future content.